guys, this is Ricardo and welcome to another blog tech tips. So guys, as you can see or you have been able to tell from the title of this video, I got a brand new PlayStation Pro. And this PlayStation Pro is actually the, as you can see up here, the 1TB model in jet black. And I got this for the channel, so I'll be doing tutorials, not gaming videos, but just tutorials showing you how to fix common issues with the PS4 Pro. And I got this also for personal gaming use. And of course, along with this, I also got this bad boy here, which is God of War 4. And of course, this is a PlayStation 4 exclusive and also my first game with the PS4 Pro. Alright, and just a quick disclaimer, I'm actually a PC gamer. If you do not know, I also have a gaming rig. So this is just something to quickly play games. And of course, as I said, tutorials for the channel. Many of you out there have PlayStations, and as a result of that, these tutorials might come in handy. So today is just going to be an unboxing. I have a separate look at this, which is God of War 4, so I'm going to put this aside. So as you can see here, this is the box for the PlayStation 4. And first impressions as this is an unboxing, I like the controller. It has changed somewhat from when I used to play the PlayStation. Over here we have the Pro, and as I'm seeing here, the three-tiered design, right? And I like the box. On the sides, you have what comes inside of the box. There's a PlayStation logo on this side. And of course, if I'm just going to flip this up carefully. I'm trying my best not to break this. And I hope I don't break anything on the inside. But I'm just going to tilt because there's stuff in here I don't want to break. So if you can look from this side here. As you can see from this side, guys, we have Call of Duty Infinite Warfare, and just showing you a few games, and it shows you basically the features of the PlayStation Pro. And of course you can pause the video at any time to look at these. I'll just pan from one side to the next just to give you a general idea, and you can see just a few games being shown down here. We have Watch Dogs 2, we have Horizon Zero Dawn, which is 2017 version. We have Mass Effect Andromeda. Alright, so I'm just going to carefully turn this back over. Try not to break anything inside of the box. So, right at the top here. This is the first time I'm actually opening this. This is brand new. So I'm just going to remove the seal. There you go. The seal comes right off. And I'm just going to open up. And once I look inside here, there's this nice presentation. As soon as you open the box, you see the PlayStation 4 logo greeting you right outside of the box. I might have to pause and just get this outside of the box. Alright, so here's the entire thing outside of the box, and it just slid right out. So I'm just going to carefully open this up. As I said, this is my first time opening one of these up. I have no clue what's going to happen here. Right away I saw a booklet, and of course this is on the case to show that this is the quick start guide. Just going to put that right on there. Alright, so guys, as you can see here, I got this out of the box. So here we have the PlayStation 4 Pro. So I'm just going to get this out fully. And of course, this is carefully packed. Much weightier than I thought it would be. So I'm just going to put the Pro right here. And over here, we have, as I said, the quick start guide. I also found another package, which is this one here. Alright, the best place to play, showing you a few games as on the package. Put this aside as well. And of course, it's a few things. This looks like some form of headset. I think this is just cheap. So to get a proper headset, I'll probably have to buy something separate for that. I have the power cable. Also, I have HDMI cable right here. It's nice. And of course, this is the controller. Much smaller than I remember. I like the feel. It's lightweight. Looks quite nice. Like the buttons. And I like that it doesn't have a glossy finish. As you can see here. Triggers R2, L1, L2, And I'm just going to put this aside. And of course, here's the PlayStation. I'm going to take this out and then actually come back. Alright, so this is PlayStation 4 Pro, as you can see the logo here. And of course, there's the 3-tier design on this side. If I can just angle this a bit. And you can see the logo over here. And of course, I won't go through all of the inputs and so on, since you should have the general idea. This is the unboxing just to show you what's in the box. So as you see, we have the controller over here. And I'm just going to catch it right here. And you do get these documentations and these bunch of cables, including the headset right here. And of course, as you can see here, this is all that comes in the box with your PlayStation Pro 4. You can pick this up over on Amazon. I'll have a full description and full review of it over on the blog. And of course, I'll place additional information. Alright, so you can actually read the review from the perspective of a PC game. And of course, I still like PC games, just this is more convenient. And of course, it gives me more options to create more content for you guys. So if you like this, just go ahead and tell me in the comments. And of course, if you have any questions, I may be able to answer them. Alright, so it's Ricardo from blog techtips.com, saying bye until next time, guys. Bye.